A dedicated media room in new home construction transforms everyday viewing into a cinematic experience when planned from the start. Start by locating the room away from noisy household zones and over garages or mechanical rooms when possible to minimize sound transmission. Install sound isolation using staggered or double stud walls, resilient channels, and acoustic sealant at every junction to prevent flanking paths. Add broadband acoustic treatment, absorptive panels at first reflection points, base traps in corners, and diffusers on the rear wall to control reflections without deadening the space. Plan tiered seating early so risers, sightlines, and step lighting are integrated with structural framing rather than retrofitted later. Prewire everywhere you will want signal or power, run speaker runs in Conduit to allow future upgrades, and include dedicated circuits for audio and video gear to prevent ground loop noise. Choose display technology based on room size and ambient light, matte projection with blackout shades for true theater darkness, or a large organic light-emitting diode television for bright rooms and simpler setup. Design HVAC with quiet, low-velocity returns or sound baffles to keep background noise below the audio threshold for a full surround experience. A common mistake is skimping on isolation and hearing later that neighbors or other rooms can clearly hear low-frequency content, so add mass and decouple structures early. Another is underestimating reflection control, which makes dialogue muddy and imaging poor, so map first reflection points and treat them with absorbers and diffusers. A third is poor wiring decisions, such as running speaker cables without conduit or using in-wall HDMI without future-proofing, so always run multi-conductor speaker cable, separate low-voltage conduit, and reserve space for a media closet with accessible wall plates. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home theater upgrades and new construction tips, helping us find local professionals and letting contractors find projects that match their skills. We also host an active discussion community where we share plans, product experiences, and installation advice with other homeowners and builders.